You don't need funding. You don't need inventory. You don't need a team. You need one skill, one platform, and one afternoon to get started. Here's what you're getting: 10 online business ideas you can start this week, the real skill and platform behind each one, and the 3 traps that quietly kill most $0 startups before they ever make money. First up, freelance writing. If you can write a clear sentence, someone will pay you to write more of them. Skill, clear writing, nothing fancy. Platform, Upwork, Fiverr, or cold email to small businesses. Time to first dollar, days to 2 weeks. Income range, $500 to $5,000 a month once you land a few repeat clients. Second, virtual assistant work. Businesses drown in email, scheduling, and busy work they gladly pay someone else to handle. Skill, organization, and basic tools like email and spreadsheets. Platform, Upwork, Belay, or referrals from your own network. Time to first dollar, about a week. Income range, $15 to $35 an hour to start. Third, social media management. Most small local businesses know they need to post consistently. They just don't have time to do it. Skill, basic content creation and consistency. Platform, reach out directly to local businesses or find clients through Instagram. Time to first dollar, 1 to 2 weeks. Income range, $500 to $2,000 a month per client. Fourth, digital info products. Package what you already know into a guide, a template, or a mini course and sell it while you sleep. Skill, packaging existing knowledge into something usable, not creating brand new expertise. Platform, Gumroad, Beehive, or your own landing page. Time to first dollar, days if you already have any audience, longer if you're starting from zero. Income range, wildly variable, a few $100s to a full income depending on your offer and your audience. Fifth, bookkeeping. Every small business needs their numbers tracked. Most owners would rather pay someone than do it themselves. Skill, basic accounting and spreadsheet comfort, no CPA required to start. Platform, LinkedIn and direct outreach to local businesses. Time to first dollar, 2 to 4 weeks. Income range, $300 to $1,000 a month per client. Sixth, online tutoring or coaching. If you know something well enough to explain it simply, that's a sellable skill. Skill, real expertise in one subject, plus patience to teach it. Platform, Preply, Zoom, or direct outreach. Time to first dollar, as fast as a few days. Income range, $20 to $60 an hour. Seventh, voiceover and audio editing. A decent microphone and a good ear go further than most people think. Skill, a clear voice or a trained ear for editing audio. Platform, Fiverr and Upwork. Time to first dollar, a few weeks to build your first samples and reviews. Income range, $50 to $300 per project. Eighth, no-code automation. Businesses are drowning in manual busywork that tools like Zapier and Make can already solve. Skill, comfort with no-code tools like Zapier, Make, or Airtable. Platform, Upwork and LinkedIn outreach. Time to first dollar, a few weeks to land your first project. Income range, $50 to $150 an hour. Ninth, an email newsletter. Pick one topic, write consistently, and you're building an audience you actually own. Skill, writing and curation. You don't have to be a great writer, just a consistent one. Platform, Beehive or Substack. Time to first dollar. This one's the slowest, months, not weeks. Income range, variable, but it scales directly with your list size. 10th, affiliate marketing. Recommend products you actually believe in and get paid every time someone buys because of you. Skill, honest, specific recommendations, not hype. Platform, a blog, a YouTube channel, or a newsletter like this one. Time to first dollar, usually the slowest ramp here, weeks to months before your first commission lands. Income range, modest at first, compounds as your content and audience grow. Trap 1, idea hopping. You try something for a week, it doesn't take off, and you jump to the next idea. Every one of these ideas needs at least 60 to 90 days before you can honestly judge if it's working. Switching before then isn't strategy, it's just avoiding the hard part. Trap 2, underpricing. Charging too little out of fear doesn't win you clients, it just makes the work unsustainable. Price for the value you deliver, not the fear you're feeling. A client who only wants the cheapest option was never going to be a good client anyway. Trap 3, building without selling. Spending 3 weeks perfecting your website before you've pitched a single person. Selling comes first, not last. Reach out to your first client before your logo is even finished. The polish can wait, the pitch can't. The real unlock isn't finding the perfect idea. Pick one from this list. Give it 90 real days. Sell before you build the extras. That's the $0 startup playbook. No funding, no inventory, no team, just one skill and one decision to start. Like and subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this.